Bubbles. Very small bubbles. Microbubbles. What about bubbles? More on that in a moment. But first, consider your water supply.
If you care about your health, you probably care about clean water. You may drink the bottled variety, or because commercially bottled water is often not much different than what comes from the faucet, you've opted for the better, more economical, more environmental response: filtered PyMag water.
But that's only part of the solution. Consider the water in your shower. It contains chlorine, the same powerful disinfectant that you don't want to drink. In the shower, you absorb chlorine through the skin, and you inhale it in water vapor where it enters the bloodstream.
Introducing the PyMag MicroJet Shower System. Its reduction-oxidation process helps neutralize chlorine without adding chemicals, and a composite filter reduces other contaminants including dirt, sediment, and odors. Patent-pending air induction technology injects air into the shower jet and not only increases neutralizing efficiency, it improves the flow without requiring a rise in water pressure. Niken PyMag technology adds Pi minerals and uses a magnetic field to reduce clumping, a natural alternative to ion exchange water softening.
About those bubbles, the PyMag MicroJet shower system includes an adjustable shower head with patent-pending special nozzles that release streams of microbubbles. These microbubbles make a better shower. Any cleaning agent, soap, detergent, or shampoo, tends to adsorb or attach to the surface of a bubble. This is the point of contact between the agent and dirt. A lot of small bubbles have much greater total surface area than fewer larger ones. More contact means deeper and more effective cleansing.
Microbubbles contain oxygen molecules. These tiny air sacs remain intact longer than large bubbles, so the gas is released directly at the contact point, where an oxygen reaction helps to penetrate the buildup of deposits on skin and hair, leaving them feeling fresh, clean, and soft. The water can soak beneath the surface for natural moisturizing and skin hydration.
Microbubbles are normally created using laboratory apparatus. MicroJet nozzles represent a design breakthrough that puts this bubble process in your shower. The PyMag MicroJet system requires no special fittings or electrical power. It can be attached to a standard plumbing fixture in minutes.
Chlorine neutralizing, natural filtration, Pi and magnetic technology, and micro-cleansing. This is the PyMag MicroJet shower system, only from Niken.